In this particular video, I will discuss about Python operators. So we have different type of Python operators. First one is arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. So let us try to understand one by one. So what are the addition operators? Suppose you want to perform the addition on two different numbers. You can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Modulus is to get the remainder. If you divide 5 by 2, okay, 5 mod 2, so the remainder is nothing but 1. So if you want to get the remainder, you can make use of the modulus. Exponential, if you want to perform the exponential of two numbers like 2 double star 3, so this will be like 2 to the power of 3, so that is nothing but 8. So that is the exponential here. We have a floor division. So what is this floor division? Suppose say if I say 1 floor 2, so the answer is actually 0.5, but the floating point part is truncated, so the answer becomes 0. So if you want to truncate the floating part, then we can make use of the floor division. So what are the different type of assignment operators? So we have equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, modulus equal to, and this is nothing but division equal to. So suppose say if I take x is equal to 5, y is equal to x is equal to 5, suppose I perform this particular operation. So this is almost equivalent to x equal to x plus 5. So this is x is nothing but 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 will be a 10 here. So this will be 10. Okay, the answer is like we want to add x plus 5 is equal to, if you want to do this particular option, it is nothing but the shorthand operators. Okay, so similarly we can do like x minus is equal to 5. So if I say this thing, so this will be equivalent to x minus 5. So this again x value is 5. 5 minus 5 is nothing but 0. So the answer will be a 0 in this particular case. So we can perform the Python assignment operators here. So we have a comparison operator. So suppose I want to check whether two numbers are greater than, x is greater than 4 or x is greater than 5. So they can, or it's equal to, or it is both are equal. So this can be used as a comparison operator here. So we have a logical operator. If you want to combine two different operations together, we can go for AND, OR, and NOT operation. So identity operator. Suppose you want to check whether the two variables are same or not. Suppose say if I say x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10. So in this particular case, x is y is true. Okay, because x is also 10, y is also 10. Suppose say if I take x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. So x is y is false in this particular case because x is 10 and y is 20. So this particular case, the x is y is nothing but false. So membership operator. Suppose you have an array here and you want to check whether one is belong to the x. Okay, this x, the element is belonging to this particular x. Yes, it is belonging. So it is returns true. Suppose if I say 7 is in x, it is false. 7 is not belonging to this particular array. So that is going to be a false here. Okay. So we have a bitwise operator. So what are the bitwise operators? We will try to understand this. Suppose say if I take x is equal to 5, y is equal to 4. So we want to convert it into binary. So this will be the 5 here, and this 4 will be this thing. So here this is a 5 and this is a 4. If you want to perform the logical OR operations, so what is the logical OR operation here? 1 0 is 1, 0 and 1. So this will be a 5 here. And suppose if I want to perform logical AND 5, and you want to perform logical AND no. Okay. So 1 0 is 0, 0, 1 0 is 1. So this is 5 and this is 4. Okay, so this is a 4 if you want to perform this. Okay, so what about XOR operation? If you want to perform XOR operation, one 0 is 1. So this will be a 5 here. Okay. So if you perform XOR, it will be a 5. What about shift operation? If you want to shift it towards a right shift operation, so it will be it will increase the value, so it becomes 10. Okay, if I want to shift towards right side, so the value will definitely increase. Okay, so similarly we can perform the left shift operation also. So we'll try to discuss this one by one. Okay. So I am in ideal here, and if I want to, I will take two variables, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20. So say if I want to perform the different operation x plus y, or x minus y, x mod y. So this will be 0. Okay, so you want to do some other operation, like you want to compare x is greater than y, false, x is less than y, so it is false, true. So you want to combine two different operations. Suppose x is greater than 5 and y is also greater than 5. The conditions are true, so it is going to be true here. Suppose say if I want to compare using OR, so we can also always use this. Suppose say this one of the condition is true, then it will be a true here. And one more is like shorthand operators. We are having x is equal to x plus 10. So if you want to make use of the shorthand operators, that also can be used. So x is increasing by 10 here. And we have a identity operator. Suppose say x is 10. X is 10. It is false. Okay, x value is 20. So x is 20 here. If I say x is 20, yes, it is true. We have a membership operators. So what are the different membership operators we are having? X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose say 1 is in x. 1 is in x. Yes, it is true. 1 is in belongs to x. So 1 is not in. If suppose say not in x, it is false. So bitwise operators. So we have a different type of bitwise operators here. So what are the different bitwise operators? X is equal to 5 and y is equal to, if I say 4, the example that we have given here. What is x and y? Okay, x and y. So what is x and y here? X and x. So x and y is nothing but 1. Okay, so x or y also can be used. Okay, so and we have a right shift and left shift operation. So you can shift it by right or you can shift it towards the left side also. So these are the different type of operators that we have discussed in Python. And if you have any doubts, you can ask. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.